a mirror, Renault Kangoo with a broken mirror. So this is the port I ordered from Hagus. Zeit 1910. Sicher fahren, ja. Yep, looking good. Came with this eating animals box. No, just kidding. Just a sticker. Some hooligans taped on my box. So let's check out. Looks like we have the good one. Nice. And there's a cap also. Oh, paper. Yep, adjuster. Looking good. Looking good. And yep. Nice. Right. Lay that over here for the time being. Let's take a look. Seems like we don't have to remove the door trim. So, oh look, there's a little boot, 3-pick stuff. Mini Zeus was here. So normally we grab this little part and we pull it off, and all the clips are intact. If you don't have the clips intact, you can order one of these boxes on eBay or Amazon. They're all different kinds of clips. Really handy for like 20 bucks, 30 bucks, something like that. So this goes over there. Looks like we have two 10mm bolts. This one is done. Yep. Nice. So two 10mm bolts. Let's take them out. And they're 8mm, of course. So, two 8mm bolts. One. Plastic screws, no, not bolts. And yeah. Looks like a really quick job, actually. So hold the mirror, what's left of it, on the other side. And there we go. And it comes off with two bolts, so not too well attached, I have to say. Right, yep, let's give it a clean. It's a nice degreaser, or you could use brake cleaner, but for dirt like mud and stuff, you need a degreaser. No, you don't have to clean it, but I like a clean job. Demon service, a little bit extra, can't hurt. Voila, it's one. And wow, this side is yeah, it's pretty okay. So there we go. Up. That's that. Really good, good stuff from Morley. Nano X Pro. Cheap, good. Smells good. Now we take or Milwaukee perhaps. Yep, always handy when you have to hold something and then screw it in. Yep, there we go. So let's take our mirror. Yep, this has to be on there for acoustic isolation. Yep. Of course, I'm gonna check out this side first. Seems to fit pretty good, and it will be perfect. Yep. Yep. Okay, it can stay there. Yep. Pretty good. If you want to make it even easier, you can open up the window, but wow, it's okay. So one screw, it can't fall anymore right now. That's important. Second one, before we tighten it up, we're gonna check our angles. Bam. And as a matter of fact, we are gonna turn down the window so we have a better view at, for example, this side. So it would be sitting good like this. Yep. All right. Yep. Hold it in place. And that's one, but I'm gonna tighten it the rest of the way by hand so we don't over tighten and strip out the plastic. Remember, you're turning bolts in plastic, so I would recommend hand tight and then stop it. Yep, this is a good one. Like through 3-4 Newton meters, something like that. Plastic. It will not loosen. It's a good one. Of course, it's kind of weird when you turn the mirror in. Use both hands. It's yeah, it's the design. Apparently, 2 bolts. Now we have our our cap. This one clicks in with these little holes. I don't know why it came apart. It came separately, so we can adjust it here manually. So we can click on the mirror cap. This is a piece to center it right over here, so pay attention to that when you put it in. Maybe they deliver it separately in case you wanted to paint it or something. Or could be the case. So let's check out. Yep. So this one should go in first. There's a little centerpiece thing. So I'm guessing we should put in like this. We cannot slide in from here unless we turn the mirror. So yeah, there we go. Make sure the plastic tabs align. Maybe we should slide in at the same time. Yep. Click. Push this side a bit in, and we should be able to. Yeah, you hear the clicking sound? That's our plastic tabs clicking in. So grab it here and there, make sure it doesn't move anymore. Nope, it's all nicely clicked in. Yep, and there we go. Really quick fix. Grab your inner piece up, and those just click on like nothing. And I'm guessing you have a rubber piece here, but looks like mine made its way to another world. So that's how you do it. Bam. Yep. Sturdy. Have a good weekend. Like, subscribe if you want. Have fun and see you. Peace. Of course, needs to go on the back. No, I'm lucky. Break it. Up. So. Oh, sorry. Yeah, there we go. Looks better. Other side, same thing. Yeah. Oh, look at that action. Nice.